Welcome back, Filmholics. My name is Kyle Kenrick, but in this channel you find anything and everything filmmaking. Now today's gonna be a little different. There's not gonna be much of a reaction really, and today's reaction day, I know, but it also is a 1-year anniversary of when I first started consistent YouTube on this platform, and I'm just gonna talk about that for a bit. Earlier last year, I started consistent YouTube, and I started in a studio apartment, and I started with minimal gear, not so good in life at that moment in time because a lot of things were happening in the background emotionally, psychologically, and a lot of things were happening, and a lot of good things were starting to happen at the same time. I got a lot more passionate about YouTube. I got a lot of testing done in the first year, and I got 280 now subscribers within the first year, and I'm really happy about that. I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who stayed for that long, and whoever's new and starting to watch this channel and watch me grow and watch this whole thing grow for film in general too, because my passion for film is what drives me to YouTube, and I want to keep going at that for years to come. A big thing is where I want to go towards, and I don't really like telling my goals personally, like long term, because the more you talk about it, the more you feel achieved about your goals. So I want to stick with small goals to lead into those bigger goals. I know it's a bit confusing, but I want to just mainly talk about where this channel's going towards. And I'm still gonna keep with the schedule, you know, with the whole thoughts on and how-tos and tips and tricks and reviews and reactions I'm doing in a weekly basis. And I also want to add in some more content here and there. I want to try and give more and give better content to the platform, to you guys, to anybody who's starting to watch these videos. So I'm gonna try and do a lot more narratives. We're doing some talking of pre-production right now with my friend James, if you've seen our video together, and I'm really excited on where this is going. So in basic terms, I'm gonna try and keep consistent with the schedule I have, always get better in the platform, add some more content for you guys, and of course always have fun with it. So we'll just have to see where this year takes us. We're always gonna evolve and try to get better, and I wanna know where you guys think you'll be in a year. I want to know what your guys' goals are. Comment them down below. I'd really love to talk about that. And of course, like and subscribe, and dream on.